Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is nag-close ng red candle and above average yung volume. BTC is forming evening star. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin yesterday, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout sa support area. After natin mag-share na nag-form ng symmetrical triangle yung BTC. So nung nabasag niya yung support, dumiretso pababa yung BTC. So currently, BTC is nagkakaroon ng sign of weakness. Meron tayong high, lower high, and currently nag-create yung BTC ng lower low, nagsiswitch yung momentum to downtrend. So kung makikita natin sa big picture, BTC is nagkakaroon tayo ng retracement approaching support area, previously resistance. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario, the moment na basagin ni BTC yung support area, possible na magkaroon tayo ng fake out. But the moment na may sumalo above here, and pakita niya tayo ng volume and breaking this trend line resistance, possible na magkaroon ulit tayo ng momentum to uptrend.